Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Idypat. Just in case this is your first time watching my video, welcome to the family. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing something different. Yeah, I just got back from school a few minutes ago and I don't know why I just got triggered to do this video. Anyways, this video is gonna be about successful women in Nigeria. Why is that so hard to pronounce? Yeah, so this video is going to be about being successful as a woman in Nigeria. And this video got triggered by lots of posts I have seen on Instablog Nigeria. If you don't know what that is, this is like a blog or like an Instagram account that keeps you updated about what's going on in Nigeria. I love Instablog because without it I would have zero idea of what's going on in my country. So it really keeps me updated. But then I have a problem with it because not just only the posts, the comment section is lit. Like you get to see lots of people commenting lots of things, lots of different mentalities. Some I do agree with them, some I'm like continue. Anyways, my problem is whenever Instablog posts a successful woman or a successful actress or whatever she's doing, probably she's just doing some business, she's not a doctor, a banker or whatever. Whenever she's been posted on social media, going onto the comment section, lots of Nigerians are like, oh, she's sleeping around, oh, she's a harlot, oh, she slept with some politician or some sugar daddy. Sugar daddy is someone, I think it's a man that is so wealthy and most likely he's married and he's ready to spoil on you. My god, my English is terrible. He's ready to spoil you with money so far as you're willing to give him sex. I don't know if there's anyone that offers you money without asking for sex as a sugar daddy. Just let me know. You know, I could be interested in that aspect of it. I'm just joking. But anyways, that is it. So most Nigerians think that a successful lady that, you know, has this what's it called, flashy lifestyle on social media, blah blah blah, they always subject this woman to having sex with some rich politician or some married man who is offering her money. I have a huge problem with this because I feel like whenever you post these things on social media, and I'm 100% sure that you are not certain about this except you have seen this lady sleeping with this guy before, or you've seen her in a hotel in the same room with this guy in the act, except you've caught her in the act. You have no right whatsoever to say whatever you're not sure about or show off about anyone, because at the end of the day you're ruining this person's reputation, number one. Number two, you're already creating this mindset that you cannot be successful in Nigeria as a lady. You cannot own so much money, you cannot own fleets of cars or probably a house, you cannot own a certain lifestyle in Nigeria except you sleep with a man. I don't know what's wrong with my English there. Except to sleep with a man. That is the mentality. So that is the mindset you're putting out there. And indirectly, you're telling yourself the same thing. You're telling yourself, you know what? Oh, since she has so much money, which means she slept with a guy to own this money, that means I can't have this kind of lifestyle except I sleep with a man. And you're putting this out there. You're also putting this out there to the young ones that hope to be successful as a single lady or as a married lady whatsoever. So far she's a woman in Nigeria, you're already putting this mindset out there that, my dear, you cannot reach this lifestyle except you have some ambode in your life. Which I don't know why a lot of people comment about him. I think he's a politician. I don't know if he's guilty or I don't even know who he is, but I see a lot of that name in the comment section. Except to sleeping with some rich married man or some rich man, except you have sex, that's the only way you can make money. I don't know why Nigerians have this mentality. And the funny thing is, it's mostly the ladies that comment this, and then when you go to their bio, they're like, oh, women uplifter, I encourage women to you know what, support each other. They're the ones that have this whole quote on your Instagram bio, let us support women. But at the same time, in the comment section, you are the one accusing someone of sleeping with someone's father, accusing someone of sleeping with a politician to make money. Like, I don't know why we do this. You rarely see a guy bashing another guy that owns money. Well, you could see a few of them would say he's a fraudster or probably has a sugar mommy, if there's something like that actually does exist. I don't know. But then we are the same people that want to be successful, but then when we find someone that is successful, instead of tapping into the blessing and praying to God, oh God, please let me be like this person in future. No, We just, I don't know where this jealousy or envy comes from. Like, we just end up saying, oh, she's sleeping around, oh, she's doing this for money, oh no, her money is not genuine, it's not legal, it's not blah blah blah. Come on, guys, come on, we are better than this. We are better than this. Let us try to support each other. Let us try to have each other's back. Let us just, I mean, if you see a successful woman, just admire her from afar. Or you can get close to her and admire her if you want. But then just, you know, the first thing that should come to your mind should not be that, oh, she's sleeping with a man for money, she's doing that. Because truthfully, yeah, people go through so much. And the funny thing is, no one posts their struggles on social media, truthfully. Everyone posts when they've made it in life, when they've gotten a new car, when they've gotten a new house. No one posts when they got humiliated, frustrated, when they cried, when they went through so much to make this money. No, we don't post all of that. We mostly post our success stories. So whenever you see someone successful, do not just think that, oh, the success just came overnight, probably because she's sleeping with someone. She must have gone through so much to make this money. Except you saw them in the act, I don't believe what anyone says. If I see a successful woman, I want to be like you, auntie. I want to be like you in future. Except I'm very sure that you're not making your money. I am 100% certain I'm not making your money. You're not making your money the legal way. I'm not going to tap into that blessing. I don't want it. Stay far away, but please just stay far away. But anyways, I just decided to, you know, make this video. I actually don't know why I'm yelling. I'm actually yelling today. I'm really passionate about this, and I have a problem. I have a huge problem with people that reason in this way. People that think that women that make so much money, especially if you're Nigerian, you're living in Lagos or Abuja, you're sleeping around. My dear, just stop this stupid. It's, to me, it's really stupid to think in that manner, especially if you're not certain, you don't have proof, you don't have 100% proof that this person did this, or if the person did it with your father, then fine, you can say that. But if you don't know it, then shut your mouth and just admire her, okay? Sorry, I'm being a little bit aggressive and rude, but I'm really passionate about this. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for staying tuned with me. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share your thoughts in the comment section. Whether you agree with me or not, it doesn't matter. I really, I'm not gonna bash you or anything. I respect everyone's opinion, and yeah, that is it. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.